If your hands look 10 years older than your face, I promise you it's not your age. It's a mistake happening at your kitchen sink every single day, and almost nobody realizes they're doing it. By the time most people notice their hands cracking, peeling, or turning papery, they reach for lotion. It works for about 5 minutes, then the dryness comes right back. If that's happened to you, the lotion was never the problem. What's happening underneath your skin is the problem. And in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it, using 3 ingredients that are probably already in your kitchen right now. Here's what almost nobody explains to you. Your skin has a barrier. Think of it like brick and mortar. The skin cells are the bricks, and a thin layer of natural fats is the mortar holding everything together and locking moisture in. Every time you wash your hands, use sanitizer, or do the dishes, you strip away a little of that mortar. Do that 15 or 20 times a day, and the wall never gets a chance to rebuild. What you're left with is skin that looks papery, cracked, and prematurely aged, but it isn't actually aging. It's barrier damage, and barrier damage can be reversed. There's a second piece to this almost no one mentions. Your hands aren't just skin. They're home to millions of protective microbes that help keep inflammation down and your skin calm. Constant washing and harsh sanitizers wipe them out faster than they can recover. And when that balance is disturbed, your skin's pH, which should sit slightly acidic, starts drifting the wrong direction. Once that happens, your skin becomes more reactive, more inflamed, and more likely to crack. So the real goal isn't just adding moisture back on top, it's helping your skin rebuild its own defenses from underneath. And this is exactly why most drugstore lotions don't hold up. A large number of them are petroleum-based, and petroleum-based ingredients actually pull fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, and K straight out of your skin while they sit on the surface. So you're moisturizing the top layer while quietly draining the very vitamins your skin needs to repair itself underneath. That's the loop so many people get stuck in. Dry hands, lotion, brief relief, dry hands again. So here's how you break that loop. This takes about 2 minutes to prepare, and I recommend it often in my own practice. You need 3 things. 1 egg yolk, 1 teaspoon of raw honey, manuka if you can get it, and 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. The egg yolk is essentially concentrated vitamin A, D, E, and K, plus lecithin, which is what leaves your hands feeling silky afterward. The honey calms inflammation and feeds the good microbes trying to reestablish themselves, and the olive oil carries those vitamins directly into the skin while sealing moisture in. Mix all 3 in a small bowl until smooth. Massage it into your hands, working it especially into the knuckles and cuticles. That's where cracking usually starts first. Leave it on for 20 minutes. Don't rinse early. That's when the vitamins are actually being absorbed. Then rinse with lukewarm water, not hot, which strips the barrier right back down. Do this 2 to 3 times a week, ideally at night, so your hands aren't hit with more washing right after. And during the day, if you can, swap a petroleum-based hand cream for a plant oil-based one instead. Your skin will actually hold on to it rather than losing vitamins to it. Give this 2 weeks, and you'll feel the difference in your hands before you even see it in the mirror. And if you want to know the one daily habit quietly aging your hands faster than anything else, faster than sun exposure, that's exactly what I'm breaking down in the next video.